Hi folks, in this job we will pack and load a truck with household items in Florida. We will load pieces of furniture and items from the garage such as tools and bicycles. This will be a quick load. We will not need to do any tight packing. We will have plenty leftover space in the truck. The packing will be pretty straightforward. The pieces of furniture are packed with moving pads and shrink wrap as we deem necessary. The expensive TV is totally wrapped and transported over a panel cart. When the bicycles are loaded, we separated them with flattened wardrobe boxes to avoid damage. We pack, unpack, load or unload rental trucks, portable containers, shipping containers, and trailers. If you need these services, text or call us at 954-445-4357. If you enjoyed our video, please give us the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like that. And that is it. God bless America.